All right, so we have already worked through multiplication. Now we are working on long division. These are the four things you need to remember when you divide. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So for every division problem, I want you to have these written on your paper, okay? So this is the first number that I'm going to divide. I have to put the number 6 into 594. Okay. Can 6 go into 5? Of course it can't. It's too big. 6 is a greater number. It would not fit into 5. So I'm going to put an X there because I know it doesn't work. 6 did not go into 5. But can 6 go into 59? So now I'm thinking about how many times 6 goes into 59. And if I know my facts, I know that 6 times something is going to get me close to 59. Every time that you solve a division problem, you have to write your facts. So you're going to start with 6 times 1 off to the side. I know that 6 times 1 is 6. I need to get this to equal 59 or close to it. So I need to keep going. 6 times 2, I know is 12. 6 times 3, I know is 18. 6 times 4, I know is 24. Have I gotten close to 59 yet? Not yet. I'm only on 24. So I have to keep multiplying till I get close. 6 times 5, I know is 30. 6 times 6. Let's say I don't know what 6 times 6 is. Here's an easy way for you to figure it out. You know that 6 times 5 was 30. So I'm going to add 6 dots. And then I'm just going to count on 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 6 times 6 is 36. Not at 59 yet, so I need to go on. I'm going to add my 6 dots, and then I can count 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So 6 times 7 is 42. Have I gotten to 59 yet? I have not, so I need to keep going. 6 times 8. If I don't know what 6 times 8 is, I add my 6 dots and I count on. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. I'm not at 59 yet. I have to keep going. 6 times 9. I'm at 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay. Still not at 59 yet. I have to keep going. 6 times 10. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, so I went past 59. I have to find the number that is the closest to 59 without going over. 60 went over 59. So 54 was the closest I could get to 59. So I'm going to circle that 9. And I know that 6 goes into 59 9 times. Okay. I divided. So I'm going to give it a check. My next step is to multiply. I'm going to multiply down. 6 times 9. Well, I know what that is because I just wrote my facts out here. It's 54. So I put the 54 under the 59. I divided, then I multiplied. Now I have to subtract. And I have to do 59 minus 54. Okay? Which is actually going to get me 5. So I divided, I multiplied, and I subtracted. My last part is bring down. I'm going to bring that 4 down. I brought it down. Now the whole process starts over again. Your problem is not done until every digit in the dividend, this is the dividend, has a number above it. This 5 has a 0. We put an X there, that's fine. This 9 has a 9. This 4 has nothing. So I have to start the process over. I'm going back to division. Remember when I divided 6 into 59? Now I'm going to divide 6 into 54. I already wrote my facts out here, so I should be able to find how many times 6 can go into 54. Well, there's my 54, so I'm going to circle the 9, and I know that 6 goes into 54 9 times. I divided. I need to multiply down. That's my multiply. 6 times 9 is 54. Divide, multiply, subtract. Do I have any other numbers to bring down? No, I do not. So that is my final answer. My answer is 99. Okay. We're going to do another problem, and we're going to keep practicing. So remember, when I start my problem, I want to have my key. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Here's the second problem we're going to do. We're going to put 9 into 639. Okay. My first step is to divide. Okay. Can 9 go into 6? No, it cannot. 9 is too big. It'll never work. So I keep moving on. Can 9 go into 63? Of course it can, because it's less than 63. I just need to know how many times. So this is where I start writing my facts. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. And remember, I'm trying to get to 63. I'm not there yet, so I need to keep going. Let's say I don't know what 9 times 4 is. Just like we did before when we wrote 6 dots, this time we'll write 9. And I can count on 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 9 times 4 is 36. I'm still not at 63. I have to keep going. I want you to realize how nice and neat my dots are. Because if my facts aren't right over here, I have no hope of getting my problem correct. So now we're going to do 9 times 5. And we're going to say that we don't know what that is. So we're going to draw our 9 dots. And we're going to count 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Still not at 63, so I have to keep going. $45, $46, $47, $48, $49, $50, $51, $52, $53, $54. Still not at 63, so I have to keep going. $54, $55, $56, $57, $58, $59, $60, $61, $62, $63. So I needed to find a number that equaled 63 exactly, which I did, or that came pretty close to. So 9 goes into 63 7 times. That's my first part. I divided. Now I need to multiply down. my multiply. 7 times 9 is 63. Divide, multiply, subtract. 63 minus 63 is 0. Divide, multiply, subtract. Bring down that number. And then remember what I said, we start our division process again because every number needs to have a number above it, and this 9 does not. So I'm back to division. 9 divided by 9. Well, to get 9, I know that 9 can only go into 9 one time. So I know that my answer is 9. It only went in one time. I divided. Now I multiply down. 9 times 1 is 9. Then I subtract, and I have nothing left to bring down. So my answer is 71. Remember, it is so important that you follow all of these steps. Always write out your facts, even if you think you know them. It is not a choice. You must write them out. Use the dots if you have to help you with your facts. And the big part to remember is that every digit in the dividend needs a number above it. If it does not, you have not finished the problem yet. Please continue to use that to help you.